how to cut rubber flooring around your doorways. So, as you guys can see right here, we have this little trim around the door. We got this piece so flush that it actually looks like it's just part of it. And the way we did that is just with a little bit of a methodical approach. You guys can see I can barely even get this piece out because it's so nice and flush. So all you guys need to do is first measure from your piece of flooring right to the edge. And you need to be accurate down to the 16th of an inch. It really does make that much of a difference. So this one was 9 1/8. So what I did there is I just measured like this, 9 1/8, and then I made my pencil mark right there. Next, you're gonna measure the full length of the trim. This is 3.5 inches. Again, we need to be accurate down to the 16th inch. Now you'll see this trim has a bevel to it. Make sure when you're measuring, you measure all the way to the outside, not to where the bevel starts. That bevel's just 1/16 of an inch, but that will make a difference. And then I made my second pencil mark 3.5 inches away from my first one. So now we know how long of a piece we need to cut out. Next, we know how to figure out the depth. So I come here, you'll see this one is 10/16 or 5/8 of an inch. And again, we're measuring to the edge here, not to the bevel mark. And then we come over here, this one is 9/16. And again, 16ths of an inch are important. So I'll go here, 9/16, I'll come here, 10/16. Now here's the most important part. You need to get a straight edge like this, not a T-square. The reason is because since these are 1/16 of an inch different, when you're cutting, you're gonna put this one right on your corner piece there, this one right on your mark there, and then you're gonna be cutting at the slightest diagonal. But by having your marks like that, this will mean that you're cutting at the right angle. So that way, when you finish your cut, you come right back here, it'll line up all nice and snug like that, even though this is a different depth than that one over there. So again, make sure when you're cutting, you're using a straight edge going from corner to corner of your pencil marks. So that way you get a nice seamless edge, even when there's at an angle.